This picture shows former Pakistan Army Chief and now the Commander-in-Chief of Islamic Military Anti-Terrorism Coalition. General Rai Sharif is meeting Pakistan Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa at the GHQ in Rawalpindi yesterday. Following the meeting, the ISP of Pakistan Army issued a press release which says, among other things, the Army Chief General Qamar Bajwa praised the efforts of Islamic military alliance towards peace and stability. No doubt, his is a highly significant or important statement insofar as the performance of Islamic military coalition is concerned. This has given birth to a profound question. What are the successes or failures of this military alliance so far? Frankly speaking, I don't know much about it because the Yemen conflict is still ongoing while the civil war in Syria is far from over. The Daesh or ISIS is on the back foot in the Middle East and North Africa. It has been able to consolidate its position in the war-ravaged Afghanistan. It has also been trying, albeit unsuccessfully, to create its footprints in Pakistan as well. While announcing the formation of this military alliance some 3 years ago, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, Mohammed bin Salman, who is due to arrive in Pakistan on 16th, had said that the military coalition would coordinate efforts among all the member states against terrorism. Hence, the need for a comprehensive response to my question. There is no denying the fact that General Rai Sharif, as Army Chief of Pakistan, had led a very successful, massive anti-terrorism operation. His successor, General Bajwa, had also led another major anti-terrorism operation. Having said that, I would repeat my question. What have been the successes or failures of this Islamic military anti-terrorism coalition? An answer to this question is imperative in order to inject a heavy dose of clarity and transparency into this military coalition, which is unfortunately, the composition of which is unfortunately characterized by the absence of Iraq and Iran, two players in the Middle East theater. Before I conclude, I would like to make a request to you. Please contribute to, or please subscribe to our channel, which is being managed by my daughter Zainab Sarfraz, who is a student of class 6. My name is Sarfraz Ahmad. Minya Zabuz Sarfraz Ahmad, ya Rabute de Gazata, Karachi, Pakistan. Minya Ana Sarfraz Ahmad. Ana Sarfraz Ahmad. नायब रईस तहरीर फ़ी जरीदत कराची पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।